Have you ever dropped your smartphone and cracked the screen? Or spilled coffee on your laptop, and now it won't turn on? Welcome to iFixScreens Mount Sinai, your one-stop shop for all electronic device repair needs. We specialize in smartphone repair in Mount Sinai, New York, providing same-day repairs for battery replacements, cameras, and more. We're committed to providing low-cost repair services without sacrificing quality. We also offer top-quality gaming console repairs so you can return to your favorite games in no time. We use only the highest quality replacement parts to ensure your device is repaired to the highest standards. We also offer services for smartwatches, laptops, iPads, and cracked screen repair in Mount Sinai, New York. And with our 180-day warranty on any parts we install, you can trust that your device is in good hands. Ready to get your device fixed? Contact us today at 631-403-4720 or visit our website at www.ifixscreens.com/location/Mount-Sinai-NY to see our repair services. At iFixScreens Mount Sinai, let us help you get back to your busy life with a fully functioning device.